take normal image to classic image. First select layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate layer, and go to filter and click camera raw filter, and go to basic and reduce exposure and reduce contrast and reduce shadow, then white, and increase black for classic looks. You can increase that and increase some increase. It look nice. Then go to detail and increase sharpening. It's very smooth result. It's done. Then go to color mixer and follow my steps. It's done. Then go to effect and reduce that. It results for darkness for classic image. Okay, it's done. Then check OK, and you can see before and after. It's look very nice and very classic image. Here is the problem, the sunlight is not shining on the face. Now take a new layer and go to edit and click fill, and then select 50% gray option, then click OK. Now select overlay. Here it is overlay, and click here and select dodge tool and select soft round brush and you are just on your way, but you can follow my steps. Okay, it's look very nice. Okay, you can see before and after. It's look okay, it's complete. Thank you for watching. Thank you.